Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. On this video, I would like to show you with the three basics in Microsoft Word. So first, I want to show you how to save file in Microsoft Word. Second, how to protect file. And third, the last one, I want to show you with how to save PDF file in Microsoft Word. So first, if you want to save file in Microsoft Word, you can have some of document or you can blank. And next, click on File, and after click Save As, and next click Browse, and after it will display you with the dialog box, and there are two things you need to do. So first, you need to find location keeping file. I keeping on desktops, and next I click on this box and remove the text. You need to rename your file. So I enter ictshare. On this file, I keeping ictshare. This is the name of the file, and I keeping file on desktop. Okay, and next I click on Save button. So I already save, and next close file. And to find my file on desktop, this is my file name of ictshare that I keeping or save on desktop. So now with the first step, I finish, and I will go with the step 2. The step 2, I will show you how to protect password with your file or with your document. It means that you don't want to another people or someone check your paragraph, check your document, check your file also. So I open this file, and next click on File to protect document, and after click on Info, and next click on Protect Document this button, and it will show the drop down like that. Click on number 2 function is encrypt with the password, and next it will show a small dialog box here. You need to enter the password that you want to protect. So I put it, the only number is number 1, and next click OK. I enters again. It means that you need to re-enter or enter the password the first time that you enter the first password, and the second password needs the same. So I click on OK button. Okay, so I need to save after I protect my document. Okay, ready. I close this file. And next I need to check the result. I double click on this file. So before I can enter or check my document, I need to enter my password like that. I click OK. I can enter my text or can do everything on my document. So that is the advantage of protect your document if you don't want to someone to check or enter or edit your file. And if you want to remove the password, click on File and go on Info, click on it, and click on Protect Document again. Click on number 2 function, and you will see there is an old password. Click on it and remove, and click OK, and after click Save. Okay, so you remove the password already. So I close the file, and next I need to open and check the result. So my file or my document is still have protect document or not. After I remove the password on this file, it means that the file is not protect. You can protect your file if you don't want to another people enter or edit your document. Okay, I finished the second step. So we go on the last step, how to save PDF on file Microsoft Word. So first you click on File, and next click on Save As, and after click on Browse. Next click on Save As tab. It means that you want to create your file. Normally Microsoft Word, you need to know that if on this box then on the Word document, it means that file is a file Microsoft Word. And if you are changed to the PDF, you can click on this button and find the word PDF here, and next click Save. Okay, I save my file to the PDF ready. So I click on close, and this is my file PDF. So I want to explain to you that is a different. It means that if you are keeping on file Microsoft Word, you can continue with your work, and that is a PDF file, you cannot edit. It means that only view. Yeah, right. So I click on this file to open. Okay, this is a file, the PDF that at the moment I save, and I told you that it's displayed to you. It just view, only view. About edit file, you need to more app, you need to more software to edit, but also you need to keeping the original file like this. This is the original file. You can open, you can edit with the next time with your working. And the last one I want to tell you that with my experience, I using file PDF. It means that save to file PDF. I want to bring my documents to another machine. Sometimes I use my computers like version 2019, and after I copy my document or my files to version machine 2013 or 2010. So the document or your pictures is not then the same, the last version or new version. It means that different. We cannot print. So after that, we need to convert, or we need to save file from Microsoft Word to PDF. Okay, so I think you understand, and you can try by yourself with your Microsoft Word or with your machine computer also. Goodbye, see you on next video.